How to delete Temu account. So to start, we'll just have to open our Temu account, and then in here we'll have to go at the bottom part of the screen and then tap on this profile icon. And then here on our profile, we'll have to tap on the settings icon. And then under settings, tap on this account security option. And then after that, at the bottom, you will now see this option, delete your Temu account. What we need to do is to select on this one. And then in here, before we can completely delete our account, make sure that you have read this article. Once you're done, simply tap on the circle icon and then tap on the continue option. So in here, before we can proceed, you will be asked why you want to delete your Temu account. You can select any of this one, but as for me, I'm gonna select I have multiple accounts, and then after that, tap on continue. So in here, before we can proceed deleting our account, we will need to have a verification code. You can select your email or your number, but as for me, I'm just gonna select my number. After that, we'll just have to wait for the code to be sent to my number. And then once I receive the code, all I need to do is to type the code here. And then after that, I will be able to proceed to delete my Temu account. Keep in mind that you will only have 7 days to recover your Temu account. After 7 days, if you did not recover your account, your Temu account will be permanently deleted. So that's how easy we can delete our Temu account. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!